In today's video we're going to set up automatic electric furnaces. These will come on automatically when you put ore in a box and switch off automatically when you've finished burning that ore. To get started you're going to need an electricity source and storage. So we're just going to place this solar panel over here out of the way and our power source against the wall. And connect these up. Next we're going to deploy our electric furnaces. And I'm just going to put these in the middle of our wall. And 2 boxes. You can do this with just one, but for ease of explaining, I'm going to use 2. So the first box is what we'll put the unrefined ore into, and the other box is where the end product will go. Next we're going to place some storage adapters. One on each of the furnaces and one on each of the boxes. Then we're going to place 2 conveyors. One after the first box and one before the second box. Now we can connect this all up. So from the first storage adapter into the conveyor, from the conveyor into furnaces, and then the same at the other end. Now that we've deployed all of the industrial stuff, let's set up the electrics. So we're going to place 1 electrical branch, and then a switch, and then 3 more electrical branches. From the battery, go into the power in on the first electrical branch, and we're going to configure this to branch off 12 power, and that's 3 for each furnace. And then from the branch we're going to connect to the power in on the switch, and then from the power out we're going to connect to the power in on the first of the second group of branches. We're also going to just connect these like so. To power the conveyors, we're going to go from the power out on the first branch to the power in on the second conveyor, and then from the pass-through we're going to go back to the power in on the first conveyor. Now I don't know why, but if you power the first conveyor and then pass through to the second, this circuit doesn't work. From the filter pass on the first conveyor, connect to the switch on the switch, and from the switch off connect to the filter fail on the second conveyor. Lastly, configure the second group of electrical branches so they all have 3 output. And connect all of these to the furnaces. Now that everything is deployed and connected, let's configure the conveyors. So in the first conveyor, we're going to be taking unprocessed ore from the box. So metal ore, sulfur ore, and high quality metal ore. So I'm just going to set some defaults on the max transfer. And I'm just going to set a low number of 10 for each of these, and 5 for the high quality metal. And the only reason I'm doing this is so that you get a fairly even spread across all of the furnaces. So I'm going to apply this without any other changes. Turn that on. And on this side, we want to use the conveyor to move the processed goods. So sulfur, metal fragments, and high quality metal. And you don't need to set any defaults for this. Just hit apply and turn it on. So now we're ready to do some smelting. I'm just going to put half of this in, and you'll see that the furnaces have come on immediately. And there's roughly a similar amount in each one. In the end box, we can see the output. When the furnaces have finished smelting, they'll turn off automatically. And there's our 50 sulfur and 50 metal frags. When you're ready to do some more smelting, just throw it in the box. And the process starts again. If you've got any questions, feel free to post them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button, and if you want to see more, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.